they're not shining.
Her hair falls perfectly without her trying.
She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah,
I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me.
and it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see.
But every time she asks me, do I look okay?
I say